So I bought two electric scooters from TOMTOP website. The model is M365, and please come. I would like to show. One of those is without problems. You can see here. The lights on and no sounds. And here you can see the lights on, but the sound. Yes. In the first moment, I didn't know about that, and I sent a lot of messages to TOMTOP to know what is that, because they sent me a broken product. So I exchanged more than 20 mails with TOMTOP to try to convince them that they sent me a defective product. And while I was sending this email, I tried to find on the internet what was the problem. And while I was searching for these problems, TOMTOP said me that I could send this defective product to get a replacement. But they said me that I would need to send it to China, and I figured out that to send to China it's most than half price that I paid for this product. So this doesn't make sense to spend a lot of money to get another one of replacement. I think TOMTOP needed to pay for me for that. So I after many websites and many searches, I figured out that the problem is the error 40 and is related to the main board. So I decided to buy the main board on the internet, and it's here. I bought it in the AliExpress. So TOMTOP asked me to prove that I'm making the repair. So I'm recording this video to show that I'm making the repair, and this was really needed, and I need to get some refund back. I'm sending with this email the total value that I spent to repair this electric scooter is around $70. So I'd like to receive that value. The girl said me that it's not possible, it's only $25, but it doesn't make sense because you send me the defective product, so I would like to receive all value. So I will make the repair right now. No cuts in this video. As I could see, the error 40 is related to the main board, is related to the overheating or the problem with the sensor of temperature. So since I don't know how to manage that or how to fix a board, I needed to buy a new board. and I'm sure that it will work because I took the board from the another one and I put here, and this electric scooter worked with that board. So I put here and I could see it working, and I put back in that electric scooter. So I know with main board that works, this electric scooter will work. This is the new part, and I will remove the old one. I'm unscrewing the battery because I think it's easier to reach the screw of the main board here. Yes. Yes, this is the defective one, and I will replace for that one. This is the new one. So let me put the defective here and the new one in the same place of the old one. And I don't know why I need to do that, or why I need to pay to return this product since I received it broken. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I'm losing my time. I needed to understand about that. The fault is not mine that is not working. Yes. Mostra aqui. All the wires in the right place. Now I need to fix the battery in the right place, just to make sure the screws are well fastened. Yes, and now the battery. Yes, all the things are in the right place. I will put the cover after that, but just to finish the video, I'd like to show you that now it is working with the new main board. So no sounds, just to show you. Yes, working very well. So TOMTOP, I'd like to receive my money back, at least. I don't know what it's worth for you to send me, but I would like to receive all the money that I spend with you. So I spent around $70. You said me that you can give me $25. I'm expecting that you do the right thing, that is to give me the entire money. So give me your best. Thank you.